Jakkur Lake, one of the Bangalore's oldest lake, spread across 160 acres with a perimeter of 3.5 kilometers. This model lake has been revived and maintained by the local community, transforming into a beautiful boarding hotspot in Bangalore. Welcome to the second episode of our series Chronicles of Wings over Bangalore, where I will be exploring the bird habitat of each lake in Bangalore. Jakkur Lake is renowned for its painted storks. Throughout the year, these elegant birds grace the lake, but in mid of February, something truly special happens. As the stork begin their breeding season, witnessing these beautiful moments is a highlight for any bird enthusiast. The man-made artificial island play a crucial role in the lake, providing a safe space for the birds away from human interference. This year, to the delight of birdwatchers and photographers across the city, hundreds of northern warblers and gargans have made their way to the lake, making their first appearance. Thanks to the hard work of the local community for keeping the lake clean and well maintained. Northern warblers are easily recognizable by their shovel-shaped bill, which they use to filter the food from the water. Gargan, on the other hand, are known for their striking plumage and agile diving behavior. These birds typically migrate from Europe. Watching these birds in action is a treat for bird enthusiasts as they display their unique feeding and mating behavior. But it's not just the stork that call the lake home. Water birds such as Coot, heron, kingfisher, whistling duck, cormorant, Blackhead Ibis, and many others can be spotted around the lake. The lush flora surrounding the lake and well-maintained walking track and a fish pond, making it a favorite destination for locals and visitors around the city. Do visit the lake sometime. I have added the map link and timing to visit the lake in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. For more such contents, please subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep exploring.